Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video I'll be talking about one of a swing trade what I have done on this particular chart setup. Okay, and this is an educational video only and there are no trade recommendation in this video. I'm just going to explain you how I traded on this particular chart setup. Okay, so where I did my entry, exit and everything I'll be telling you in this particular video, and this is only for an educational purpose. Okay, so now let me quickly explain you how I have traded on this particular chart setup. So as you guys can see here, this particular stock had actually went up and made its newest highest point. As you guys can see, this was the newest and highest point what it has touched on many times in 1 day time frame. Okay, and later you can see here from this resistance level it has come down, and you can see almost this support level has taken here. Okay, so even around this level the support was taken even on previous time also, and also it has acted as resistance level sometimes, so it has gone up in zigzag format. So actually if you can see here, this stock is in this range bound section, so I took advantage of this range bound section here once it came down towards its support level. Okay, so somewhere over here is where I've taken the entry 1450, as you guys can see on the screenshot. So you can see my entry and exit price. So I have taken the entry somewhere over here around 1450, and later when the price started going up, I just took my exit somewhere over here, that is 1510. Somewhere here is where I've taken my exit. Okay, and you can see here this was the resistance point, the maximum resistance point what we had, but by following my study, discipline and the strategy, I took my exit before this resistance level itself, just to be in a safer and careful way. Okay, so yes, in trading you need to be very careful and keep the target and stop loss, and trading does involve risk. Okay, so you need to know how to manage your risk properly, and then only you can be at the right side of a trading. Okay, so this is a small swing trade what I have taken on recent days, and this was how the price has performed on this particular chart setup. Okay, so if you guys are interested to learn from my 10 years plus of experience, you can message me on the number displayed on the screen on WhatsApp and get in touch with me to learn more about trading and to improve your trading skill and knowledge. Okay, so I thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you guys in the next one very soon.